this tutorial, we'll see an example of how to input footage at one size and output at a different size using Batch and Flame and with a Revision Effects Relens plugin. We will use Superfish for this example. We can start by going to Batch and the schematic and import some 8K footage. I can switch to the Batch schematic and it's already loaded as a node. I'm going to use the 2-up layout so I can check the result at the same time. Now I will create an OFX node which is located under the FX tab. I can double-click on that and choose a Relens plugin. I'm going to use Relens Superfish for this example. I need to connect the input clip to the Get Color source. You can check each input using the tool tips. The red is front, target size, and the green is back, get color source. So I connect the output of the clip, which is the yellow, to the green, get color source input. Now for the target size input, I will create a color source node. So I go to the color tab and drag up or double click on color source node. I will connect the yellow output to the red target size input. I can go back to the 2-up layout if it isn't there already, so I can check the result. If I click on the Relens Superfish node, you can see that there's no result. The reason for that is in Flame, the two inputs need to have the same resolution. So what we can do is change the resolution of the color source. I can select the color source node and choose Custom Resolution from the pull-down menu, and I change the values to match the other input size. So that is 8688 by 5792. Now if I go back and select the Superfish node, we can see a result. We can go and make changes in Superfish now if we want. We can go to Set Circle over Source and set radius to 0.33 and choose Equisolid. Now we can do a little reframing by changing the rotation values as an example to change the framing. So you can imagine the possibilities here as these values can always be animated. And back to the result. The last thing we need to change is the output size. Right now the output is full 8K and we would like HD output. We can go to the Format tab and choose the Resize node. We connect the output yellow of Superfish to the input red of Resize node. It's full HD by default. As you can see, it's a center crop by default too. So we can change center crop to fill if we want. But as you may notice, it's a little stretched since the source aspect ratio and the destination aspect ratio are different. So we can use the crop edges option. That looks better. Also, you can see some of the other controls we have in Resize. And that's all for now.